Welcome to my channel Living Linux. In this video I want to show you the game MegGlest on a Rockchip RK3588 single board computer. So MegGlest is a 3D real-time strategy game, and here you can see that we're on a Rockchip RK3588 single board computer. So when you're on ARM, you have to build it yourself. There are some download links for x86 and also for Windows and Mac, but not for ARM. But you can go to their GitHub and then go to the main page, and they have a development tutorial, and then you can go to getting the code, and actually that also has the instructions to build it. So all the dependencies, they are taken care of by this script. And well, I can show you a little bit about that script. So you need to start it with elevated rights, and well, you can see that it has the packages when you are on Mint or on a different version of Ubuntu. And they also have, I think, SUSE Linux, Fedora, Manjaro, so that's Arch. And well, hopefully at some point I will have a working OpenGL driver with my single board RISC-V computers. So as you can see here, that they make the distinction between x86 64-bit and in this case lib64, and I think somewhere else you can see that they check for ARM 64 at some point. Where did that go? Well, here, for instance, with Manjaro, you can see x86 64-bit or ARM architecture 64-bit. So as I said, hopefully once I have a working OpenGL driver on RISC-V, that I can try to play around with this script and also add RISC-V. But anyway, if you follow these instructions, you get the executable, and you can start it from the command line like that. Now there's one thing that I want to show you, that they also support mods, but you need 7-zip for that. Now, for instance, on Ubuntu, it's really easy to install 7-zip. And once you have installed that, then you can also use mods. So, if we start the game, so I'm running it with the default options. So we're running full HD. And if we go to game mods, well, I didn't change anything here, but when you have 7-zip installed, you should be able to play around with the mods. So we'll do just a quick tutorial. So you can move the visible area with your mouse. So this is the main TP. This will produce a worker. So here you can see the progress. So now we need to move it to the other worker. So we select it, and then we move. And here is the other worker. So we have an objective to harvest gold and stone. So let's try to harvest here. So I think I have enough stones. So let's get some gold. Well, I guess you get the idea with this game. So I think if you really want to play this game, you can just follow the tutorial. So I think this is quite a nice game that is really free, but of course the developers, they put in a lot of effort. So if we go back to their their homepage, you can see that they also have a donate page. So you can donate Bitcoin, or you can use Flatter, and there are other ways to donate. If you get in touch with them, you can also do a bank transfer or PayPal, or you can donate virtual servers from a hosting company, but for that you also have to get in touch with them. So there are multiple ways to support this game. So actually it was really easy to compile the game. So the only thing was 7-zip for the mods. Yeah, I haven't really tested if mods work, but I guess that as soon as the game starts, then yeah, it is able to load in the game assets. So I will assume that mods will also work. So yeah, I think it's a very good effort for a free game, and yeah, perhaps this will invite you to play it yourself. So this is all for now, and I hope to see you again in my next video.